I've got another unboxing for you today, the Surface Pro 8. Now, I was waiting for the corporate version of the Surface Pro 8, as I normally get, the commercial corporate version that comes in a recycled cardboard box. This is not that, and that's because with the chip shortages and all of the supply chain issues that are going on all over the world, we will not see those products in Australia until sometime in 2022. So I had to go out and buy one of these at retail, and that's what I've done with the Surface Pro 8. I got an i5 256 gig model with 16 gig of RAM. So let's go ahead and open it up, see what's in the box. I've also got the Surface Pro keyboard, the new signature keyboard with the Slim Pen 2 Alcantara. Only available in black right now, but this will come in all of those really cool colors that we like to see, like the poppy red one that I like. Same as the Surface Pro 7. So let's crack this open. So like I said, the retail versions of these products don't come with the recycled packaging. They don't have the IMEI numbers and all that sort of stuff on the outside of the box, all the details that IT departments like to know about. Instead, we've got this pretty retail packaging. It's always a challenge to open these boxes, right? Here we go. Cool. New packaging. So I think this is part of Microsoft's environmental consciousness push. You can see this is actually paper. It's not plastic like they used to always wrap their products in. So that's really cool, even on the retail packaging. Just going to try and open that up nicely. There we go. Cool. Oh, okay, the Surface Pro 8. Yeah, it kind of is less thick than I thought it would be, if that's a thing. Yeah, it looks very similar to the Surface Pro X. Same kickstand design. Just slightly thicker. 2 USB ports on the side there. Headphone jack over here. Windows Hello camera at the front. Looks really nice. So we'll get that started up in a second. Other things that are in the box, of course, there's always that little bit of paperwork and our Aussie our Aussie power cord. That's pretty much all that's in the box with the Surface Pro. So, of course, you don't buy a Surface Pro usually without a keyboard as well. And this is a different keyboard to the previous models. This is the same keyboard style as the Surface Pro X. It's a new design. It's not backward compatible with the old models. This is a break. It's got that pen slot in it, and this particular version comes with the pen, which is a nice touch, a nice bundle there. So let's open that one up. Little interesting fact about keyboards. We in Australia use the US English keyboard, which is kind of handy. But you would think that Australia is more closely related to the UK and England. They actually have a different keyboard type to us, and that's because, here we go, there's a way to get that out. They use the pound symbol. We use the dollar symbol in Australia. So across the number 4 here on a US keyboard is the dollar symbol. The English keyboard layout is actually different. The English UK keyboard's different to that, not to mention the French layout keyboard and all of the other languages that are out there. Cool thing about a Surface is that you could have a set of different keyboards. If you're multilingual, you can have a French keyboard and an English keyboard. In fact, many years ago, I went to Canada and a customer asked me to bring back a French keyboard for them so that they could switch on the fly. So pretty cool thing about the Surface Pro, a little bit of extra flexibility. The new Surface Slim Pen 2. That actually is surprising because I got a pen with my Surface Duo earlier today, and it's actually the Slim Pen 1, not the Slim Pen 2. I didn't realize that's what they'd given us, but hey, cool, at least I've got the Surface Slim Pen 2 now. So I bought one of my own. I thought it looked a little bit different, and it does. So the new keyboard, the new Surface Pro 8. I'm really looking forward to trying a few things out on this, seeing how it performs, especially with those USB-C ports on the side, which actually now support Thunderbolt 4. One of the things that I'm going to do, I've seen it done already online, but I'm going to do it is get an external GPU and plug that in and see if we can do a bit of gaming on the Surface Pro 8. Because the thing I love about these devices is their versatility. They are not just laptops, they are very good tablets. They dock to be a really good desktop workstation. And then being able to add that kind of extra computing power with an external GPU could open up some really interesting possibilities with the Surface Pro range. So if you want to learn all about the Surface Pro and how we're going to use this in the long term, then make sure that you hit subscribe. Tell us what you want to hear about the Surface Pro 8 in the comments below, and we'll see you next week.